Hello. If you read the title, you would know what this is. This is the final episode of Pokemon Unboxing. I know. Everybody shed a tear. But, like everything, it must come to an end. So I guess let's get started with Pokemon Unboxing. The last episode. I don't know what episode this is. It's either episode 5 or 6. All I know is that this is depressing. We have 3 booster packs to end off the series. But quickly, no, I'll do that at the end. We're gonna, at the end, take a quick look back at all the good times of Pokemon Unboxing. Anyways, let's get started. The first one is one that we've seen a lot. It is a Sun and Moon Pokemon pack. So let's get right into this. The thing is, every time I open one of these, a piece of me dies because it's the end of Pokemon Unboxing. I thought this series would last longer because I thought it would get more views, but it's not getting views. It's just dying slowly. It was successful at first. I got a bit of views from the first 2 Pokemon unboxings, but then it was just getting forced. Three to the back. I'm copying frickin' Max Mofa, as you can see, but he does it to the front. First card we got is Nabble or fucking whatever. Marstrong. Leader. We got fucking Tweety fucking Pigeon Boy over here. Sorry for swearing. Oh crap, I can't swear. Oh yeah, that's right, because YouTube will take down my videos. I know I'm carrying on with this, but I don't care. I am small and they took down 2 of my videos. It's bull crap. Anyways, we got a reversed freaking butt plug. Man, I don't know what it is again. Kayon. Oh, then we got another freaking reverse of Selazin. I can't pronounce that shit. There's a whole bunch of Pokemons that I can't pronounce their damn names. This doesn't matter to me. It's a damn thing that doesn't matter. That's what it is. Then we got one of these things. I don't like. I'll read that later. Maybe pause the video to read it. Ew, these next 3 cards, this next card coming after this one is gross. But I like the kind of gold shine to it. So yeah, this one just looks like a bunny rabbit covered in actual shit. It looks like it's covered in shit. Oh god. A cat just attacked my foot. Then we got this. I like how they do the different styles. We got this little cartoony one that I like, the drawn type. Then we got that same stupid bunny, just differently drawn. Then we got this thing. Anyways, that goes over here, and now next pack. Another Sun and Moon something pack. I'll tell you, while I open this, I'll tell you the origins of this series. how this series started was because, oh yeah, sorry for not getting to you about the Shit Talk Friday thing. There will be more coming soon. Don't think Shit Talk Friday's done. It's not like I would only do 2 episodes and then end it like October. You know, remember that? Fuck me, man. This is shitty. Anyways. Oh, there we go. The whole origins of this is Shit Talk Friday Part 2. This isn't me copying Max Mofo. 1, 2, 3. I am just freaking copying my friend XX Snail Dude. And to be clear, I was also going to say this at the end of the video, but I guess I'll say it now. I actually have a second channel now where I upload whatever I want, probably mainly gaming videos. My first video is going to be a cringy Minecraft video gameplay thing that's not good at all, but I just did it as a meme thing. It's my second channel is called XX Snail Dude XX2. Don't forget that too. Anyways, we got this psycho-ass fish bear. So that's nice. Sorry about that. We got this bear thing. Oh, this is actually cool looking. We got Cheapy, or it's like Sheepy or some crap like that. Like I said, I can't pronounce their names, but I'm honestly gonna be truthful with you guys. It looks like an ass. It looks like a butt crack. And then we got a reversed V-Plex or whatever. Then we got Pikachu Bear. That's what I call him because he's an electric bear. There's many versions of him. Then we got another stupid power-up thing I don't care about. We got this skateboard, one of those remote-controlled skateboards. Like I said, if you want, you can pause the video and read that. Then we got... oh, we got the second evolving of those little yarn butthole things, but it's flower. Oh, these guys, they're always seen everywhere. We got these little metal guys. And then we got the little Charizard Monkey Man. I have never, ever seen this Pokemon before. Not that I can refer of. And then we got another Pokemon that I do not remember ever seeing. Now, on to... one sec. On to the last one. Last pack and the last pack of the series. Can't believe over so quick. Just rip it open. Okay. Yep. Take a look. It's the last pack of the series. That was a nice opening. So, mind the noise in the background. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the card in the back. Something Where's the card? It was in the middle.
I'm here.
Here, there you go. One sec. Okay, so we're back. I need to do this quick because I can only record for another minute and 35 seconds. So first, we got Egg Boy. Okay, that's okay. Then we got this stupid thing. Okay, we got a reversed electric thing that I said that I never saw before earlier. We got this thing that is really cool. Yeah, whatever. Then we got this freaking power thing. I don't care. Then we got this thing, whatever it is, I don't care. Frickin' we got one of these things, pause, read, I don't care. Look at this one. This one's actually pretty cool, I like it. And then we got this one, you can look and read, it's just a stupid cat, I don't care. And then we got this one, it's a balloon, a yarn balloon with tape over its mouth, wow, kinky. And then we got these 3 little mushrooms that if you ate, you would get really high. Speed done. Okay, thanks for watching, I'll see you guys all in the next video, thanks for watching, bye.
Pokemon unboxing. Pokemon unboxing. Hello and welcome to a video.
Hello and welcome to a new series on our channel.
Two Sun and Moon packs. As I said, I'll be back.
October just ended, I'm starting a new one. That's gonna be going on like every season and everything. Pokemon